Hello everyone. Today we will study the poem Noses of Lesson 1 from Unit 2. In this poem, the girl looks into the mirror and finds her nose to be the funniest thing. It grows where it is stuck. It has two little holes for breathing. It sticks to her face like a handle, between the end of her chin and the start of her hair. And then there is no space left on her face. The girl says that if you want to laugh or shout, you just look into the mirror and then you will see how funny your nose is. The poetess of this poem is Ellen Fisher. Now see the first stanza of the poem. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. Explanation of this stanza. In this stanza, the poetess says whenever she looks at the mirror, she looks at her nose and finds it very funny because it is coming out of her face. She finds the two holes which look very strange. These two holes help us in breathing. Now the second stanza of the poem. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose like a handle sticking there. Explanation of the second stanza. In these lines also, the poetess says that she looks at herself in the mirror and found her nose in the middle of her face, between her chin and head, just like a handle is fixed onto a door. Here the poetess compared the nose with a door handle. Such a comparison is called a simile. Third stanza of the poem. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Explanation of third stanza. In these lines, the poetess says that if ever we want to laugh and shout at something, but we can't find one, we can always look at our nose in the mirror and we will find our nose very funny and strange, the way our nose grows out of our face. Then surely we will burst into laughter. Now, new words with their meanings from this poem. First word, mirror, means a surface which reflects a clear image. Second word, stuck, which means fixed. Third word, breathing, means taking air into the lungs and sending it out again. Fourth word, space, means an unoccupied expanse or area. Fifth word, spare, means additional to what is required. Sixth word is giggle and means laugh in a silly way. Seventh word is doubt, means feel uncertain about.